In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Wix events page. If you're looking to host an event through your website, the Wix events feature is a perfect tool. It helps you manage everything from ticket sales to guest lists, all in one place, taking a load off your shoulders and enabling you to focus more on making your event a success. So, let's dive right into it. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account if you haven't already. Once you've accessed your account, navigate to your existing website, the one where you plan to showcase your event. It's crucial to be working on the right site, so double-check to avoid any mix-ups. Next, we'll get started by adding the Wix Events app to your site. To do this, you'll want to look for the Add Apps option. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to integrate a myriad of functionalities into your site, tailoring it to your specific needs. Click on Add Apps, and you'll be directed to a search bar. This is your gateway to all Wix's available apps. Here, type in Wix Events and Tickets and let the search engine do the rest. Once it appears, simply click on it to view more details about the app. You'll notice that there are many options and features within, giving you a quick snapshot of what it offers. But for now, let's focus on our main task, adding it to your site. Click on Add to Site. This action integrates the Wix Events feature directly into your platform, establishing a foundation for organizing and managing your event effectively. With the app successfully added, it's now time to create your event. Click on the Create Event button to begin. This is where your event begins to take shape. You'll be prompted to select the type of event you wish to create. Whether it's a seminar, a workshop, or perhaps a virtual meetup, choosing the correct category is vital as it tailors the settings to suit your specific event needs. Now comes the detailed part, entering the necessary information about your event. Here, you should include specifics such as the event name, date, time, location, and any other crucial details that attendees would need to know. Make sure everything is clear and concise to avoid any confusion. Once you've filled in all the required fields and you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time for the final step. Go ahead and click Create. This action finalizes your event setup, making it live on your site for your audience to view and join. From here, you can start to share your event, manage registrations, and even oversee ticket sales straight from your Wix platform. And there you have it. Now you know how to set up a Wix Events page, streamlining the management process and bringing your event to life online with ease. Enjoy hosting your event, and thanks for tuning in.